Good morning everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aisha. Today is Independence Day. Independence Day is a special day for our country. We celebrate it every year on the 15th of August. On this day in 1947, India became free from British rule.